China plans to raise this year's defense budget by 12.2% to 808.2 billion yuan, or $132 billion US dollars, according to a budget report that will be reviewed by legislators on Wednesday. Last year, China spent 720.19 billion yuan on national defense, a 10.7% increase from the previous year. Although the increases have caused some concern on the part of other countries, experts have defended the increased expenditures by describing them as being in line with the country's economic conditions. Yin Zhuo, an expert with the People's Liberation Army Navy, said China's military spending is still far from the level it needs to be, adding that he believes the country is facing severe security challenges. Growth in military spending has surpassed China's GDP growth for the last 3 years. However, Yin said the share of defense spending as part of the GDP is still below the global average of 3%.